Welcome back. In this video, we see the specs and features of HP 14-inch laptop. Model number of the laptop is 14-GR1023TU. This laptop comes with Intel Core Ultra Series CPU, which is an AI-powered CPU. This laptop is lightweight and slim. 14-inch display screen, anti-glare coating, micro-edge bezel, backlit keyboard, 62.5% sRGB color gamut, 300 nits for brightness. With full charge, we can use the laptop for 9 hours. CPU of the laptop is Intel Core Ultra 7 155H. Base clock speed is 1.4 GHz. We can boost the clock speed to 4.8 GHz with Intel Turbo Boost. CPU has 16 cores, 22 threads. 16 cores is of 6 performance cores, 8 efficient cores, and 2 low power efficient cores with 24 MB L3 cache. GPU is Intel integrated Intel Arc graphics, which has dedicated 8 Xe cores for graphics processing. NPU is Intel AI Boost for machine learning and artificial intelligence application. NPU is built into the CPU. Memory of the laptop is 16 GB DDR5-5600 MHz memory modules. Supports transfer rate of 5600 million transfer per second. 2 into 8 GB DDR5-5600 MHz memory module are installed. For storage, we get 512 GB Gen4 M.2 SSD drive with 25 GB cloud storage from Dropbox for 12 months. Display of the laptop is 14-inch display screen, Full HD 1920 by 1080 pixel resolution. Display has anti-glare coating, micro-edge bezel, flicker-free screen, 16:9 aspect ratio, 84% screen to body ratio, 60 Hz refresh rate, 62.5% sRGB color gamut, 300 nits for brightness supported. Camera is HP TrueVision 1080 pixel Full HD camera, temporal noise reduction, integrated dual array digital microphones, echo cancellation, and noise suppression supported. For audio, there are 2 speakers, My HP audio control application, AI voice assistant, Cortana and Alexa supported. For network, there is a Realtek wireless LAN card chipset, supports Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3 version for gigabit data rate transfer. Let us see the ports available for this laptop model. On the left, there is one USB Type-A 5 Gbps speed port, one HDMI port, one USB Type-C 10 Gbps speed port, which supports power delivery, display, and HP sleep and charge. On the right, there is one AC smart pin for power input, one USB Type-A 5 Gbps speed port. For input and keyboard, there is HP image pad, click pad with image sensor, multi-touch gesture enabled, precision touch supported, full-size soft grey keyboard. This keyboard has backlit. Battery of the laptop is 3-cell 41 Wh lithium-ion polymer battery. With HP battery fast charge, we can charge the battery to 50% in 45 minutes, approximate of 8 hours and 45 minutes when the battery is fully charged. Power adapter is 65 watt HP Smart AC power adapter. This is an round pin adapter. For security, there is a trusted platform module, manual camera shutter for privacy, mic mute key. Operating system bundled is Windows 11 Home 64-bit edition. HP recommends Windows 11 Professional for Business. Microsoft Office Home and Student 2021 with lifetime subscription is included at no extra cost. Body of the laptop is recycled aluminum and plastic, very thin and lightweight. Weight of the laptop is 1.4 kilograms and 17.9 mm thin. Color of the laptop is natural silver aluminum color, matte paint cover and keyboard frame finish with textured base. Let us see the upgrade options available for this laptop model. Memory maximum we can upgrade to 32 GB with 2 into 16 GB DDR5-5600 MHz memory module. We have to replace 2 into 8 GB with 2 into 16 GB memory module. For storage, we can replace existing 512 GB with 2 TB M.2 SSD drive. Interface type is M.2 2280. In the box, we get HP 14-inch laptop, 65 watt AC power adapter, and user guide. This laptop is recommended for students and professionals who are looking for a budget laptop with Intel Core Ultra 7 CPU. If you are working on artificial intelligence and machine learning project, need to do lines and lines of coding, image processing, video editing, this laptop will be a good choice.